So let's take a look at this game again. And you can see I've got a couple of images. I've just got images.jet image, and I've got a missile image. And those images are in a folder called Pygame Images that is in the same directory, right? That's what this means. So if I start my path with a dot and then a folder name, what that means is that folder is in the same directory as my script. And inside that directory, I have a whole bunch of images that I use for my games. But the one we're using for this is, we've got jet and we've got missile. And these are the, each little square here is an actual pixel. So they're very, very tiny little images. And you can make these on Photoshop, you can make them on Microsoft Paint, you can make them on whatever you want. Notice that both of them have a white background. And notice the size of the square around them. I made the rectangle very close to the edges of the images on purpose, because if the rectangle was like this big, if it was much bigger than the image, then those missiles would be, you would think you would dodge it with the plane, but it actually hit the plane. Because the rectangle, remember, inside the game is determined by the size of the image. So I don't want to waste any space there.